Hello everybody, in this session let's take a look at how we can find the second minimum value of a binary tree. So for this tree we have this rule. If we have one node and it has two sub nodes, and this value will be smaller than the other two sub nodes. This is the precondition for this task. So let's take a look at our implementation. So this is our main function. We pass the tree node here. If the root is null, we just return -1. We cannot find the result. So otherwise, we create a minimum array to store our result. So it will have only one element inside. So we call this function recursively to get our result. At the end, we are going to check our result is equal to the max value of integer or not. If it is, so we cannot find the second minimum value, we just return -1. Otherwise, we do return that value. So let's take a look at our recursive function here. If the root is null, we just return it, and otherwise we are going to check the root value is bigger than smallest, or the smallest we passed at the beginning is the root value, because our precondition here is the node is always smaller than its sub node. So that's why we pass the root value for the smallest value. So we are going to check whether it's bigger than smallest value, and it must be smaller than our current minimum value, which is the second minimum value inside this array. If the condition is satisfied, we are going to reset the minimum value with the current root value. So we are going through the left tree and the right tree by calling this function recursively. At the end, we are going to get the second minimum value inside this array. If there's no second minimum value, we just return -1. So that's all for this session. See you next time.